Imports of popular noodle brand Indomie will henceforth cease as government inaugurates a noodle manufacturing plant in the country. The $20 million factory in Accra will produce 30,000 tons of noodles and 8,000 tons of spaghetti annually.
The latest noodle factory is under the One District, One Factory initiative. Prior to the setting up of the factory at the Spintex area in Accra, Indomie was imported from Nigeria to the country. The value of Indomie importation as at 2018 stood at $10 million annually. And with the drive of transforming the Ghanaian economy from extraction and export of raw materials to an industrialized economy, the 1D 1F initiative was introduced by the NPP government. Management of Dufil and Tolaram Group saying the siting of the factory in Ghana will help in job creation and ease pressure on the local currency. The Minister for Trade and Industry, Mr. Alan Chematin, reiterated government's efforts to provide a conducive environment for the private sector to contribute its quota to the development of the country.
The quality of this product gives us an opportunity to export in a very significant way, not only to West Africa, but to other parts of the continent. And I'm sure you all know that Ghana is now the headquarters for the new continental free trade area, a market that brings together over 1.2 billion people. By 2050, this single market would have a purchasing power of over $6 trillion.
The senior minister, Mr. Yao Osafo-Mafo, proposed for the establishment of a similar factory in the northern part of the country in order to expand their market base as well as take advantage of the African Continental Free Trade Area by exporting to neighboring countries.
It's a state-of-the-art production line. You don't see anybody touch anything. It's all automated and therefore becomes very competitive. We will provide them additional incentives to enable them expand. And it's important, all the raw materials for this production are locally produced. And a lot of it is agriculture based. We use a lot of palm oil. And this is good for our own agriculture policy, good for farming, and it's good for industrialization.
Currently, there are 112 projects to be implemented under the 1D 1F initiative out of the remaining 260 districts across the country.